Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, we will move to the lesson. Subject is English for standard 5th and the name of the topic is adjectives. This is a grammar part, you know, right? Students, we have already done about the nouns and the adverbs, isn't it? Today we are going to learn about adjectives, right? Now you can see here so many pictures with some describing words, isn't it? Okay, now we will learn about adjectives with many more examples. Okay, and we will come to know what is the meaning of adjectives and where to use the adjectives and what is the use of adjectives in our day-to-day life. Okay, then shall we move further? Students, in English grammar, we know about the parts of speech, isn't it? We have nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, etc. Correct? Today we are going to learn about adjectives. Okay? Where to use adjectives and when to use adjectives, all that we will see. First, we will go through the meaning of adjective. What is an adjective? The answer is, an adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun by giving some information about an object's size, shape, age, color, origin or material. See, we'll go through one example. See this. This is a tree. You know this, correct? Now I will write. This is a tall tree. Yes, you know that tree is a noun. Tree is a noun and I am describing this tree by using this word tall. Correct? So, a tall tree. Extra word I am using for this tree, that is noun. Okay, so this is called an adjective. One more, a green tree. Again, green is an extra word or describing word for tree. So this is also called as an adjective. One more example. See, this is an elephant, correct? A huge animal. Huge. We know that elephant is an animal, but huge is a describing word for this animal. An old elephant. See here, an elephant we know that, and extra word describing that it shows the age of the elephant, that this elephant is old. So this is a adjective. Got this, students? An adjective describes a noun. Okay, you know that noun is nothing but the name of a person, place, thing, animal, etc. Correct? You are thorough with the noun, isn't it? Now, here we can see here this is ice cream. What is the taste of this ice cream? Sweet. See, this is an adjective. What is the color of this animal? Orange. What is the taste of this? Yummy. Correct? How it is looking or means opinion we are telling. That is pretty, beautiful, isn't it? These are all extra words we are using for the noun. Some more are there to tell the size. Giraffe is a tall animal, tall. Okay, and feeling, again here we can see the opinion or feelings. Rabbit is very soft. Okay, about the sound also we use quiet. And if you want to tell about the quantity, How many flowers are there? 2 flowers are there. Means this is also an adjective. Okay, behavior, manners, funny. See this. All these words, they help the noun. Correct? They describes the noun to tell us more about the nouns. So these words are called as an adjective. Okay. See here, some more examples are there with the picture. See a blue shirt color. This shirt is blue. You can see this is a shirt, but we are telling that the shirt is blue in color. Means blue is a describing word for the noun, that is shirt. Got this? How is the bedroom? That is messy. You can see here. Okay, and here also we can say beautiful rainbow. Beautiful, this is an adjective. How is the pizza? That is very delicious. Got this? Bunny. How is bunny? Fluffy. Bunny is very fluffy. Then you can see here a happy baby. Tiny ladybug. Shiny mirror. See, all these are extra words added to noun so that to describe the noun. Brave firefighter. Correct? Quality here it is mentioned. Silly dragon. Got these, students? These are called as an adjective. What is an adjective? Students, we came to know about the adjectives. Means we can use a describing word for a noun in the case of age, shape, size, purpose, origin, material, feelings, etc. Isn't it? Okay, now we will take one object and we will study all these points one by one. Okay, then it will become clear for us. We will take one object. This is an object. You know, this is a table. Isn't it? We use this table to have coffee and all that. Correct? Now we will write some sentence and we will use adjective in each sentence. Okay, we will start. First one. It's a big table. Okay, now here table is a noun. You know that table is a noun and the describing word is big. Isn't it? Now big shows the size of the table. Got this? We used a describing word to tell the size. Number 2, it's a round table. See, here adjective is round, isn't it? So it shows us a shape of the table. Got this? Third one, it's a brown table. Yes, here brown is an adjective and brown means it tells us the color of the table. Correct? Next one, it's a English table. See here, English is a describing word used in this sentence about the table. So English means it tells us the origin from where the table word or the table came. Got this? The next one is, it's a wooden table. Here wooden, it is an adjective. What it tells us? It tells us the material of the table. Okay, got this? Next one is, it's a lovely table. See, here lovely is an adjective which describes the table. Lovely it tells us the opinion of a person. He liked that, so he said it is a lovely table. Next, it's a broken table. Okay, see this. Broken is an adjective used here, so it tells us about the observation of a person or feelings. Okay, the last one is it's a coffee table. Coffee is an adjective used here in this sentence. So coffee means it tells us the purpose of the table. Got this, students? Here we have taken only one object, that is table, and we used so many describing words to tell all different size, shape, like that we used here. Okay. Students, if we want to use 2 to 3 adjectives in a single sentence, then we have to follow these orders. You can see here 1 to 9 numbers are given and the order is also given. First we have to use determiner, then opinion, then about the size we have to talk. After that comes the shape, age, color, then origin, material, purpose. And here so many words are given that we can use for the given heading. Means like that opinion, we say good boy, bad boy, it's great work, it's a terrible one, correct? And for the color we use the color names, correct? And about the purpose, writing purpose, rolling purpose, sleeping purpose, coffee purpose, all that. These words we use as an adjective to express our feelings. Isn't it? Here, fill in the blanks by choosing correct word. Inside the rectangular there are 5 words. We have to use these words to fill the gaps given. First we will go through the words gentle, long, famous, clever, eager. These are the 5 words. Okay. Here we will use them. Bob is dashed to get his new puppy. What will come? Bob is eager. Correct? Eager to get his new puppy. A person has to be dashed to solve puzzles. Here what remains? Gentle, long, famous, clever. Correct? A person has to be clever. Very good. Clever to solve puzzles. My grandmother says I am a dash boy. My grandmother says I am a gentle boy. Isn't it? Next, the dash actor is in a new movie. Long actor? No, we don't use long. Famous actor, isn't it? Well-known actor. The famous actor is in a new movie. Last one, the tall man hit his head on the long branches. Isn't it? Like this, if you know the meaning of the given words, you can easily put them in the empty places. Here, this is from your textbook, okay? Sometimes we use 2 or 3 adjectives together to describe a noun. In such cases, the order in which adjectives are used depends on the meaning. The adjectives that express or show your opinion about something are usually put first. The other adjectives are normally put in the following order. See this: size, age, shape, color, origin, material, use or purpose. Got this, students? In this order we have to use the adjectives. If we want to use two or more adjectives together to describe a noun in a single sentence. Example, a nice little basket. See, here nice is the opinion, little is the size, and basket, you know, that is a noun. Means here we use two adjectives, nice and little. Got this? Next one, a brave young woman. Here, see here, brave. Again, opinion, young, age. Here also we used two adjectives. A big red plastic bag. We can say a bag, but we said a big red plastic bag. See, big is a size, correct? This is the first one. Red, color, plastic, material. Bag is noun, isn't it? Next one, a noisy old drilling machine. Again, here you can see noisy. This is the opinion. It is making too much noise. So noisy, old, age, drilling machine, drilling. This is the purpose or use. Correct? Like this order we have to follow while using more adjectives together to describe a noun. Okay? Students, this is an activity for you. Here we can see a house. You have to describe this house using as many adjectives as you can. Okay? Observe the house properly and see each and everything, and you use the adjectives to describe that objects or that part of the house. Okay? And list all the adjectives along with the sentence. Are you ready to do? Take your own time for this. Okay? One more thing, this is also for your activity. Okay? Here also you can use as many adjectives as you can, and you have to describe the picture of the nature. You stop the video and you describe or you make the sentences along with adjectives, and then again you can start the video. Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.